Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing not a subscription box, but it's a beauty kit from Feelunique. So if you want to see what I've got in there, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, I decided to order from Feelunique the beauty kit. I usually purchase their sample size service, which is £3.95, and to be honest, lovely, I wasn't really happy for the products that I received, like sizes. I know it's a sample sizes, but they are quite tiny that I can get it from beauty counter. But I decided to try the beauty kit, which it costs more than the sample service. This one, it cost me, I think I paid £14.90. I am not 100% sure, but I will pop all the info in the description box below. So yes, before, I know this one cost more, like £14 plus the shipping, which is £3.95. like it was around £18. Luckily now it costs only £14.90, which is not bad in my opinion. It came with this box, with this tiny box. It's not a subscription box, and you can choose 5 beauty products in their beauty counter. Some are full size and some are like deluxe sample size or travel size. So in this beauty kit, you will receive a pouch, a free pouch. Came with this little pouch. This is perfect to bring with you everywhere. It has the handle one, and it says on the zip Feelunique, and inside too it says Feelunique. There's quite of space. Really happy that there's a free pouch in here. And then also, lovelies, I forgot to tell you that they give you a voucher of £3.95, so you can purchase something from Feelunique, use the voucher one to have a free delivery. And the 5 products that I choose, lovelies, is the first one is this from Bedhead TIGI Mini Small Talk. As you can see, lovelies, it's really a good size, isn't it? It has 125 ml, and here it says, you must have a sense of humor to use our products. Stickifier adds body and volume, energizer gives life to limp hair, stylizer defines, separates, and control. And then the other product that I choose is this from Sichuan. I hope I pronounce it properly. And this is the Ocean Mist Professional Hair Care. I tried one product from this brand that I got in my cohorted before, and I do really love the smell, and the product's really good too. And it says in here, Sichuan Ocean Mist, keep that look and feel your hair gets after a day at the beach with sun and salt water. Just spray on to lock in that style. Let me try it. Yesterday I went to the beach, so it smells gorgeous, lovely. It smells really nice. Love the smell. So here we go. Oh, smells really, really nice. My hair looks like that. Smells gorgeous, lovely. Love the smell. So this one, it has 50 ml, a travel size. And then the next product that I choose is from NARS, and this is the Power Matte Lip Pigment. It has 2 ml, just a travel size 2. I have in the shade Star Woman. I already put my lipstick on because I'm going to work soon. So yes, so this is the shade. It's like an autumn. I don't think I have this shade, but I tried this product before and it's really, really good because it's transfer proof for me, and it's long lasting, and it doesn't dry my lips. So yes, that's why I got this one too. And then the other one I got is from Laura Mercier in the shade Fresh. So here is the shade. Perfect for everyday too. This is just a deluxe sample size. Let me open it. The shade is like that. Oh, lovely shade. Let me pop this one. I don't have a mirror on here, but lovely shade, and it glides on easily. Lovely, it's easy to use, and it's really a lovely shade, perfect for everything. Here we go. I'll show you again. It's kind of matte. It dries a bit my lips, to be honest, but I don't really mind right now because it's summer. I don't really have dry lips at the moment, but in winter it's not good. But for now, I think it's really a nice shade. And then the last product that I choose, I really wanted to try this one for a long time, and this is from Sol de Janeiro, the Boom Dia Bright Cream. Here we go. I hope you can see it, lovelies. Here we go, and this one has 25 ml, and yes, it says infused with renewing fruit, AHA, and vitamin C. And yes, I will try this one. Let's smell it. Oh, it has the seeds, so I leave it. I can smell it. It has the seeds. So yes, I chose this one. I really wanted to try it. This is just a travel size. It's perfect size to bring with you everywhere. Just pop in your handbag. So yes, so that's all that I choose in my Feelunique beauty kit. As you can see, let's do a recap, lovelies. We have the Sol de Janeiro, the Boom Dia Bright Cream. I think this is their new products. You know, they're very famous with the balm cream one, the yellow one, which is really good. So I really wanted to try this one. And then I got the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment one in the shade Star Woman. As I said, I tried this one before, and it's really good. And then this one here from Laura Mercier, beautiful shade, but it dries a bit my lip. I definitely use this one. And the other product that I choose is this from Sachuana Ocean Mist, gorgeous mess. I love the smell, and as you can see on my hair, I really like the result. So glad that I got this one. And then the other product is from the TIGI Bedhead one. I really heard good reviews about this product, so yes, I've got this one. So here we go, the product that I choose. Overall, for £14.90, I think this is really a good bargain. Perfect size for travel, and yes, I'm really happy that with the product that I chose. So if you want to know about the Feelunique beauty kit, I will pop the link down below, all the info as always. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this Feelunique beauty kit service? Have you tried before? What did you choose? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the videos. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.